Hello everyone, and welcome back to the Revit Mind. This week's video is quick, practical, and shows a technique that can help you create many different shapes and designs in Revit. Today, we're going to build a parametric ceiling family. You can often see this type of ceiling in airports, shopping malls, and sometimes in conference halls. These are some of the reference images I found, and they inspired me to create this family. This is the final result that you will reach by the end of this tutorial. A parametric ceiling that can adapt and be reused in different projects. We'll build this ceiling in two main stages. First, we will create a curved element and include some parameters inside it, and this will be done using the adaptive template. Then, we will continue the ceiling using the pattern-based template, which allows us to repeat and control the design. After that, we'll apply the completed family inside a new project and see the final result in action. That's it for this tutorial. I hope this technique will give you new ideas for parametric design in Revit. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your thoughts in the comments. First, as always, we'll start by changing the project units to meters. Next, we'll place 3 new points and convert them into adaptive points. After that, we'll select all the points and connect them together. Now, we'll add another point along the line that connects them. We'll select this point and draw a square profile, which will represent the first profile of our piece. Then, we'll add a width parameter and a depth parameter, and we'll make them instance parameters. We'll copy this section with its points several times, exactly 6 times. After that, we'll rehost the copied points back onto the main line. We'll adjust the positions of the points to place them in the correct locations. For the 2 middle points, we'll add a parameter for a different height, and this will help us create some variation in the piece. Finally, we'll select all the profiles together with the line and generate a form. Now, let's move to the final part. We'll open a new family using the pattern-based template. First, we'll change the units to meters. Then, we'll adjust the grid size to match the approximate dimensions of the result we want to achieve. Next, we'll draw a line between the first point and the third point, and place a new point right in the middle of that line. Now, we'll load the first family we created earlier and place it on the points, in order, step by step. We'll place it twice, the second placement mirrored from the first. At this stage, the family is ready. We'll load it into a project and test it out. Finally, we can adjust the height parameter of the middle section to get different design results. That's everything for this video. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next one.